This how-to video uses the Polaris Ranger, but the step-by-step process is designed to help you complete this install on any make and model UTV. For this installation, we'll be using the following. One 4-terminal 12-volt Motobatt Quadflex battery with AGM technology, part number MBTZ26RHD. Step 1. Remove the original manufacturer battery by disconnecting the battery cables and removing the battery bracket. Step 2. Install your Motobatt battery and then reinstall the battery bracket and reattach the cables. Once those steps are complete, you can close the seat and your Motobatt Quadflex battery is ready to go.